So as you know, unfortunately, Cinema HD as well as quite a lot of movie apps recently were blocked on Amazon Fire Stick devices. So today I'll show you the best alternative which you can still use in 2026 to access content. And without any further ado, the very first step, as always, is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have it and it is totally set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you do not have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow me. So we go to search on the device, open the search bar, and then you have to start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on it, and that's the orange application, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So to set up the Downloader, we go to Settings by clicking that button with a gear icon, then just scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, you have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So open them, go to install unknown apps, and from here just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So just go back to a list of apps on your device now, open it, and there's the downloader which we have got. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device. Let's open it and head to the Downloader, finally. Then, when the app opens, you go to the search bar, and here in the search, you'll need to enter the code, which is gonna be 764496. So again, it's 764496. That's the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see, without making any mistakes. Then just click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app will start in just a moment. It also usually takes just a couple of seconds. But of course, it all depends on your connection speed. Then you just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. That's also usually only around 5 or maybe 10 seconds. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because that way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't really need anymore on the Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. And then we actually go back to the list of applications on the Fire TV Stick, and here's the app, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.